Hey guys, Plunder Luck here. So today we're gonna be unboxing the Yoobao speaker. It's a Bluetooth speaker. It comes in about $5. It's not exactly too expensive. I got this from AliExpress. So I got this in the sky blue colorway. Ever since I got my iPad in the iPad Air 4 in the sky blue colorway, I have really love this colorway. So I've got most things in the sky blue, including my phone cases and everything else. So this one comes with Bluetooth 4.2. It also has a playback time of up to 12 hours. It has hands-free calls. So let's look around the box. The box is pretty firm. It looks like a good build for the amount that you pay for it. So at the back just has the basic information. The battery capacity is about 2000 milliamp hour. So I'm guessing that's why it can go from about 8 to 12 hours. But I don't think anyone's going to be listening to music on this for that long. So let's open the box and take a look inside. So this is the Bluetooth speaker itself. Like I said, it comes in the sky blue colorway, which I really like. I think this is one of the best colorways that you can have. So at the back you can see we have the controllers for the volume up, volume down, the pause and play, and to answer the call and to put it on as well. So looking inside the box, we just have the menu, which is pretty small, the manual, which is pretty small, and yeah, so let's put the box aside. And this uses a micro USB to charge. I wished it used the USB-C, but the micro USB is also okay. So let's turn this on and see what we have.
与国 Q 乐精灵准备配对。
Okay, so like I said, I bought this from AliExpress, so this came from China, so the language is in China. So I'm gonna pair this up to my iPad and we're gonna do a little sound test to see what this sounds like. Okay, so I'm pairing this up to my iPad now.
蓝牙已连接。
So it's connected right now, so I'm just gonna play music so you guys can see what the bass is like. I'm gonna put it at medium volume first, and I'm gonna go to the max volume, so you guys are gonna see what the max volume is like, and if you guys be interested in purchasing this. Okay, so let's go to medium volume. So this is the medium volume of the speaker. So let's put it to max volume. One shot, one chance, one move, one dance, one shot, brace yourself for the best. So as you guys can see, that was the max volume on the Yoobao speakers, and I think the max volume is pretty good. It sounds really good. It gets a really good bass and a really good treble. So actually I recommend this if you want to get this as a gift for anyone, because the price range is pretty good. It's really low, coming in at $5. I think it's really low, and like I said, the colorway is pretty good. And another thing I forgot to mention, you can actually get this in different colorways. You can get this in the blue, the red, the pink, and the black. I just prefer the sky blue colorway. I think the sky blue colorway is pretty nice, so I prefer to get the sky blue colorway. So I'm gonna be using this for a while, and I'm gonna let you guys know what I think about it, if it's a good speaker or not, and if I recommend this for you guys to get or not. So I hope to see you guys in the next one, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.